Hi, and today I'm going to make you a little brief introduction about Wemero platform. Wemero platform is the newest salon SaaS software management and booking system from business owners around the world. Now, currently, according to some statistics, there are about more than 5 million. It could be 10 million, business salons in various forms, like the spas, hair salons, fitness centers, massage centers. So there are so many people are using different, platform to manage a daily, salon business, like a POS system. It is a point of sale. When the customers come in, and the business owners will check out with the POS machine, right? And now in the European and in Canada, I think the SaaS is very popular. And what is SaaS? SaaS means software as a service. That basically means you don't like the traditional way. When you want to use a software, you have to have a little disk and install on your computer, right? Now the time has come and gone forever. Now people, they just log in the internet and they can use this service. So Wemero is the newest SaaS salon solutions for business owners. Okay, let's get down to business. In the first step, you have to go to the website of the Wemero. See Wemero. Open the website, you see, and this is everything is here. Actually, if you are a very proactive learner, you can try to figure out everything about this platform. But if you are not very keen on the internet and IT technology, we have a dedicated Wemero's agent to help you. For example, I'm Lincoln. Yeah, nice to meet you. And this is login. You see, when you want to start to use this platform, you have to sign up first. First of all, you put your email, and then you put your password and your name. First name is enough. You don't need to type your full name, your phone number, and you create your account. And then you can just log in. Now this is my demo account. I will directly log in for you to see the Backstage. Okay. Now this is a typical Backstage of Wemero. You see, we have a basic tone of the blue color. Different like the fresher. Fresher is like a black, right? And different salon software, they use different color tones. So Wemero we use the blue color as our basic tone. And you see, this is dashboard. And you can do everything, from here. And I'm going to do a little introduction bit by bit for you guys to get oriented and get on board as soon as possible. You see, this is the home. And when you scroll down, you see we have a sales objective. For example, you want to set your monthly, weekly, annually sales objective. You can set here. You can check everything intuitively in the very mathematically and intuitively and financially display for you to manage your daily performance manually and your monthly, annually performance, right? We see service, package, products, gift cards, membership. That means how much service you provide and how much package you provide for your customers. And most importantly, unlike other competitors, Wemero, we have integrated a function of product sales. That means besides providing your service, besides earning for your service, you can also earn other incomes from products, from product service. So this is very good features for customers, to improve their sources of incomes. And this is a Backstage. You see the home. You can also set your monthly tax, as I explained before, and your customers' data. Everything is right here. You see, and your total appointment, your total sales. And we also have a segmented, display of the weekly. For example, for last week, how many appointments you have received from your customers, how much sales you have done by your staffs, and upcoming appointments, right? Everything's right here. And this, we also have features top performing staffs, for you to get this staff incentive. This is a champion of sales. This is the home page. Let's go to calendar. This is the part where you can see your appointment, your incoming appointment from customers. You see, we have the calendar format. We also have table format. You know, let's change this view. Here you can see your appointment ID. You click it, you can see who appointed what service and the date, time, and then also you can also upload pictures here. See the progress of your service and the staff name who provides service, amount paid, and also we can add some note, right? So this is kind of like a receipt. When you finish the payment, you can take some picture of your customers as a certificate or as a proof that the service is completely provided. And you see the customer name. We click here. When we click here, we can also edit our customers' information. You see, if you like, you can also add a picture, but I don't think it's necessary. Customer information, his ID, and his source. From online booking or from referral, everything is tagged here, and his email address, his phone number, and the amount he spent. All these things you can study one by one. If you get oriented, if you are a business owner, I think if you're not smart enough, you can explore by yourself. We can also have manually start new sale for this new customer, right? If this customer wants to buy some new products, we can also sell him the products. Yeah, you assign, apply coupon, apply everything here, update sale. Yeah, this is I'm doing here just for you to get some little intuitive, explanation. So this is customer seg. Now we go to the main part. Here is a service. You see, every business owners, this is a key point for you to, you need to take some time to edit this seg. And first of all, you have to add your own category. As a previously industry player in beauty industries, I was working in the psychoherent, I think the largest, not maybe the top 10 beauty equipment manufacturer. I have some basic knowledge about the beauty equipment, so that's why I do this all myself. About hair dressing, pigmentation removal, anti-aging. Okay, this is my Beijing display shop. Okay, I can show you my Kuala Lumpur display shop, demo shop, because I made a more detailed display here, So this is my, because I have advanced plan, so I can add unlimited branches in my account here. And all this account is virtual online. You can add anywhere in the world. So if you are low in budget, you can try this, at a lower price, because if you want to have your own independent website, it could cost you a lot of money, including the host name, domain name, and the website maintenance. But for Wemero, you only pay very limited, very small amount of money. You can get everything. Only you can use this, you can use our template. I will show you. Actually, Wemero give a very flexible, pricing choice for your customers, our customers, you see. Let's click here, pricing. For Fresher, although it says it's free, but actually it's not free. Every time new customers book it from Fresher, they charge them commission. So generally, you level out the cost. It costs you more money than, I don't know, than any other platform. You see, for Wemero pricing here, we have a monthly, 3 months, half month, 1 year package. So, if you choose this package, $900, right? You got extra 6 months. This is our promotion, bonus recently. So if you, of course, it's your best choice to select these features. With this plan, you got unlimited stuff, unlimited stores like like my store here. You see, I can add unlimited store. So let's come back to service. Where you want to, this is the service I added by myself, manicure, skincare. This is all about beauty stuff, right? and you click here, you see, I assign here. I can also see which date you assign this service. This is action. You can add it here. This is only the category, and the key point here is the service here. For customers to order your book, you have to add it here. Service management here. For example, I add tattooing, tattoo removal. Okay, let's see tattoo removal. Where's tattoo removal? Tattooing service here. We can add a service. Pigmentation operation here, you see. When you want to add a new service, just press here, you click here, and then you can put some pictures here, not too much size, only hundreds KB is enough. You don't need to upload, MB, because this is a light operation system. So we recommend that you upload some low size pictures for your to run the system smoothly. I think in the same way like the Flasher. So you can also customize your booking color here, very diversified. Service name, category. For example, you want to do, let me add a new service here. Okay, this is my Kuala Lumpur service. I have basically as all kinds of here service here. Yeah. Thank. Tattoo removal, right? You can add your own tattoo removal here, your service name, your category here. Because I made categorization. So when you add a particular service, you can assign to under some specific categorization for your customers to get oriented. And you can add your service time 20 minutes. So this is basically, we set the template for you already. And the buffer time is you have to customers wait. Usually you can say 0 to 10 minutes. And text, okay, you can also add your service text. Where to add your text? Here, let me show you. This is a text editing here. Manage your text, right? Well, you go to all settings, you manage your own text. And this is quite easy, So what I'm doing here just to show you some basic, manuals. If you register as a business owner, you can explore these functions by yourself. It's kind of like a plain computer. If you get more exposed to this system, you get more familiar with the module functions. So at the first glance, some customers, they complain, or some business owners says it's too complicated. But actually, Wemero has already minimized the complexity. We have optimized the function and we have minimized all the complexity for you. All you need to do is just take some time to get oriented, explore it, play it. It's like play computer game. So easy. You see, only the maximum modules here for staffs, only three levels. The most here is only the staff. Wemero is also a powerful human resources management. You can add everything. You can add your title, your staff title, your staff's role. This function, this modules is for you to give your staff authorization access to the store. When you give your particular staff some authorization, they can just log in the background, the backstage for you. If you don't have time to manage your store, you can also assign your staff to log in and to manage everything for you. Everything is right here: staff management, leave management. So I'm not going to explain one module one by one. All I need to do is to get you some very distinct impression about how this works. Now we have shown the backstage, about like here, finance, master. Now let's see it from the perspective of the customer. Okay, for example, this is my Kuala Lumpur store. You click here, it directly linked to your store page. Now this is a page for your customers, right? For example, if I'm a customer, I want to order some anti-aging treatment, HIFU, right? I book now, once click, and I choose my staff here. Next step, yeah, and I specify the service time. For example, next Monday, 1 p.m., 1:40 p.m. You see, quite easy. Next step, you can also the customers can also put some notes here. For example, prepare me a coffee. Prepare me a coffee. You see this customer's note. You can see it when they book it and they submit it, and it's done. And your customers will immediately get to the email about their appointment. But now my account didn't have the online payment. I didn't integrate Stripe. But for some advanced account, you can use the Stripe. For that means your customers can pay directly when they book it. For example, I have another account. I will show you now. Yeah, this is my another account. I will show you. Yeah. For example, this is my another demo shop for you in UK. It's a real shop. And this is my UK demo shop. You see, my client. This is a real owner. It's not a demo actually. This is a real owner, but the business owner, she trusts me a lot, and she give me this shop to manage for her. Okay. Now let's order this new shop again. You see, for example, a customer wants to do some root color, they book. No, I am demonstrating the Stripe payment for you. They choose a staff, next step. And they can choose a time appointment. Okay, next step. And now you see, we have this payment mode. This account, the owner has integrated the Stripe account. Where to enter the online payment function here, check here. You go to your store here, right? Your store. You go to action, go to your store. She only has one store here in London, downtown London. You go to action here, and you go to the payment. You see, just connected the Stripe payment. You have to use this function after you have registered the Stripe, so you can do that. Now we go back to our demo shop here. Yes, I just show you that. And after customers submitted the booking, your Backstage will pop up the notification here. You see, we got a new booking, right? It's on August 26th. August 26th. Today, I just received a new booking. So when they book it, you will receive the calendar. The information will pop out here. You see, Lincoln, he has ordered a federal reduction treatment. Oh, sorry, it's not. Is that me? Oh, yes, it is me. Did I order that? No, I don't think so. I think I ordered on next Monday, right? Sorry. Yeah, right here. Amon, one of my customers, ordered HIFU treatment here. And her information, booking information is directly displayed here, the calendar, right? So, for example, when the customer come to your shop to receive the service, after that, you just click here. You see, upcoming. After the service is down, you just click checkout. Also you can also reschedule here. I heard some customers complain that Fresher do not have a reschedule function, but Wemero, we have taken every consideration of our customers' potential requirements. So we have optimized this every day, the system IT, So I think it's a very good choice for startup to choose, Although a lot of customers choose other big brands like Fresher and other platforms, but Wemero is not a bad choice. We just need you to find it and exploit, and you will find a benefit of it. For startup company like us, I think the most advantages of our service, guest service. Unlike those big companies, they have so many customers, like more than 10,000, 20,000, maybe 100,000 registered users. But what does that mean? If they have so much users on their platform, that means they will greatly reduce their customer service. But for new startup like the Wemero, we can offer you one-on-one VIP service. This is the point you can be rest assured. Now we have finished the whole process, right? And let's come back to today. It's Monday, too long. Today I still have appointment. I haven't finished it. This is my appointment. Oh, yeah, it's my appointment. I got his Lincoln, right? And it's checking out. I forgot checking out. When he's checking out, because I haven't linked the Stripe account here, so I can accept pay by cash mode. And he pay by cash, right? And now his email just received the payment confirmation that he has completed this service. Let's get back to calendar. All right. And now this one, we have different, it shows that this service is provided, right? And if you want to, if you want to send your customers invoice, what can you do that? What can you do that? Yeah, it's quite easy, right? We go to the finance here. Oh, finance here. You see, you go to finance. Finance is the module that records all the service, product, sales you have conducted in your whole, shop, and it can be traced, and nothing can be changed. The information is like the blockchain. When this type of entry is determined, nobody can modify it. You see, and you can see this is the Lincoln, right? Which is me. The service completed, and he consumed 288 ringgit Malaysian money. Now we click the actions. You see, the order ID, date, amount, payment cash. Very clear and cut. And you can send customers here. When you click here, email sent successfully directly to his email that he will receive the invoice. Invoice can include the tax information or other information, as you can, includes tax 8.4, and you can set your tax in your local area countries, or you can print the invoice. You click print, and when your computer is connected to the printer, you can also give in the printed version, print out, right? So quite easy. So that's how we finish the whole process of booking. And this is only the beginning. In the future, I'm going to post more videos about how to use more detailed functions. Thank you very much.